Do you really think one shot of this is one shot? Because guess what? It's not. Let me explain. Now, your liver can only process one standard drink of alcohol per hour. So that's why you need to be knowledgeable about what you're intaking and what kind of drinks you're drinking when you're going out. So what even is a standard drink? Well, first off, you need to know there's 14 grams of alcohol in a standard drink, and that's important for later. So what's the equation and how do we even find it? So first, you take the alcohol by volume percentage times ounces and divide that by 60. So for example, these are the standard drinks. For beer, it's 5%, ABV times 12 ounces, divide that by 60 to give you 1. You just flip that for wine, which gives you 1. And then for spirits, you take 40% of the ABV times 1.5 ounces, divide that by 60, which gives you 1. So when you take Rumpleman's, which is 50% ABV times the 1.5 ounces, and then you divide the 75 by 60, so it would give you 1.25 more than a standard drink. So for example, if you're taking 4 shots, you're really actually taking 5. But that's not everything. What about the sugar? Okay, so sugar is half glucose and fructose, and a standard drink has 14 grams of alcohol. So for example, Rumple's fructose impact would be 12 grams of sugar. You divide that by 2, because fructose is only 50% of the sugar, which is a harmful part, which gives you 6 grams of fructose. So you take the 6 grams of fructose and then divide that by 14, which is how many grams are in a standard drink of alcohol, which gives us a fructose impact of 0.43. And keep in mind that Dr. Robert Lustig found that fructose is just as harmful as alcohol in terms of stress on your liver. So we'll take the shot of Rumple, 1.25 grams, plus the impact of fructose, 0.43, which gives you 1.68 in the total liver stress for each shot that you take. But let's be real, on a night out, no one's just taking 1 shot of Rumple. So what does that look like? So when you take 4 shots of Rumpleman's, it's really 6.72 shots of total liver stress. So really, I just want to look out for you and what you're really putting into your body because it matters, and you don't want the unnecessary added stress on your liver. So there's several different ways that can help reducing that stress. First would be to reduce the sugary drinks. And secondly, I would watch out for high ABVs like 50%. So last but not least, take something that can make you feel better and support your liver. This is Cheers Restore. You take 3 pills after your last drink or right before bed to feel like you had half as many drinks as you really did the night before. Cheers' 2 main ingredients include L-cysteine and DHM. They both work together to help your body process alcohol more efficiently. So if you can take this shot of Rumpleman's, I guarantee that you can take 3 of these pills. So if you'd like some, you can grab this value pack on the TikTok shop or that website run by Jeff Bezos. Or you can also grab one of these at a 7-Eleven, Walgreens, Circle K. The list goes on. And the best part is, if these don't work for you, we're guaranteeing your money back. So just let us know, and there's no questions asked. So if you're ripping some of these, be sure to take these right before bed. Cheers.